Okay, Sony SKK1 mechanical keyboard 66 key unboxing and review. Okay, see. Okay, the instruction manual. I got two in English and Chinese, I think. Okay, Chinese. Okay. Product guarantee card. Okay, product guarantee card. Okay, Sony 66 key. Red switch key and LED. Okay, red LED. See, wearing style, normal, low, lighter, lower color. See, if you push the cap lock, the cap lock is on, it will glow. If not, it will not glow. Make it easier when you play a FPS game and you accidentally press the caps lock. Okay. Okay. Sound test or sound typing test. Okay, that's all for me. Sony SKK1 66 key mechanical keyboard. Thanks for watching.